So hello sir, I am Keith Ratonel and I am here, I am a student of system engineering. So first is we talk about rationality. Um, so inventory management system is the one of the most valuable assets. So in retail, manufacturing, food services, and other inventories, such as inventory sectors. So a a company's inputs and finished product are the core of its business. So a shortage of inventory, when and where it is needed, can be extremely detrimental. So at the same time, inventory can be thought of as liability. So if not in a accounting sense, so a large inventory carries the risk of spoilage, theft, damage, or shifts in in demand. So inventory must be insured, and it is not sold in time. It may have to be disposed as clearance prices or simply destroyed. For this reason, inventory management is important. The goal of this inventory management system is that the business of any size, knowing when to restock inventory, what amounts to purchase or produce, and what price to pay, as well as when to sell, and what price can easily become determined, and reorder points and quantities using Excel formulas. Yes. Exactly. So the objective of the inventory the objective of inventory system is that it is capable to design system must be so the invent so the objective of the inventory system is that it is capable of the design must be capable in handling huge volume of data information, and efficiency is that the design must be able to efficiently manage, consolidate, and generate substantial reports for decision making. So the usability or the usefulness that the design must be serve its purpose and meet the needs and requirements of the users. So next is that the reliability is that the user can rely the information generated from the system. Next is the accuracy. So generated reports and info must be error free.